Hello world of the interwebs. Today is a very random video reviewing the wind-up Daryl Dixon toy thing. So I got this at Target, if I could get the box open. Got it. The toy looks like that. His arms move too. Oh. It fell on the floor. So anyway, the toy looks like this. And it's the biker Daryl, I believe. And it has little wings. So it looks about like that. The hair is like all soft. So I just wound up the toy. So let's see how this works. So yeah, it's like a normal wind-up toy. His arms move like he's pacing, and one complaint I have about it is the winder is really hard to wind up. Back in the box it goes. And once it's back in the box looks like that. There's other figurines that you can get, like Andrea, the Daryl one, Glenn, Governor, Michonne, or whatever, however you say your name, Michonne, Rick, and a zombie, or aka a walker. So there's like 7, and I believe there's another series of these, and there's like a Hot Topic, I saw ones that glow in the dark. Well, that's my review of the Walking Dead wind-up toy. Hope it helped, and alright. It's for ages 14 plus, but I'm pretty sure people younger than that would like these. Thanks for watching, and hope this was helpful to people.